Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be walking you through the complete process of mounting a UBR dish antenna for outdoor backhaul. This is crucial for optimizing long-distance data transmission and getting the best performance from your wireless network. We'll be covering every step of the setup from the reflector parabolic dish to the feed horn assembly dual polarized. So, let's get started. Step 1. Assembling the reflector parabolic dish and mounting it. Now we move on to the main part, the reflector parabolic dish. Attach the feed horn assembly dual polarized to the center of the dish. Make sure the assembly is properly aligned as it plays a critical role in capturing and transmitting signals efficiently. Now, before we begin assembling the UBR dish antenna, it's important to ensure that you are working on a proper surface, like use a foam pad. The reflector parabolic dish is a delicate component and any scratches or damage can impact its performance. Step 2. Attaching clamps to the UBR dish antenna. Next, we'll move on to attaching the mounting clamps to the UBR dish antenna. It's essential to ensure that the clamps align perfectly with the 4 pre-drilled holes on the antenna. Carefully position the clamps so that each one fits securely into the corresponding hole. Once the clamps are aligned, use the bolts provided in the hardware kit to fasten them tightly. Make sure each bolt is securely tightened. A stable and reliable connection between the dish and the mounting clamps. After aligning and attaching all the mounting clamps to the UBR dish antenna, the next step is to ensure a secure and stable connection. Carefully tighten the nuts on each clamp using the appropriate tools. Make sure the nuts are properly tightened. Now, we'll move on to attaching the UBR radio to the clamps holder. The clamps holder is designed to securely hold the radio in place, so it's important to follow this step carefully. Begin by positioning the UBR radio in alignment with the clamps holder, ensuring that it is properly oriented. Gently slide the UBR radio into the clamps holder. The next step is to connect the RF cables from the dish reflector to the radio. These RF cables are responsible for transmitting the signals, so it's essential to ensure proper connection for optimal performance. Carefully align the RF cable connectors with the appropriate ports on the UBR radio. Make sure the connectors are oriented correctly to avoid any damage during connection. Once aligned, gently screw the connectors into place, ensuring they are tightly fastened. After securing the RF cables, double-check the connections to ensure there are no loose fittings. A firm, secure connection is crucial for maintaining signal integrity between the dish reflector and the UBR radio. The next important step is to protect the UBR radio and cables from environmental elements. For this, we will be using a protective cover to ensure waterproofing and long-term durability of the setup. Carefully place and slide the protective cover over the UBR radio and RF cables. Ensure that it fully encloses both the radio and the cable connections to provide complete protection against rain, dust, and other environmental factors. We have now successfully assembled the UBR radio with the dish antenna, ensuring that every component is securely in place and properly connected. This setup is crucial for maintaining strong and reliable signal transmission. As you can see, we have successfully mounted the UBR dish antenna onto the pole, ensuring a stable and secure installation. Each step, from assembling the dish to connecting the RF cables and protecting the radio, was critical in achieving optimal performance and reliability for your backhaul solution. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with your UBR dish antenna installation.